addition and multiplication of algebraic functions. So, yesterday we have gone through those particular rules. Two algebraic functions can be added if they are like one. What that particular like one? If they are having same variable with same index. Same variable with same index. That is, for example, we can add 3x and 5x because they are having same index and same variable, and we can write it as 8x. Or even we can add 3xy plus 6xy and we can write it as 9xy because xy is variable part and 6 and 3 are numbers. And accordingly, today let us do few sums. Now first now adding. So example, so what we say, add 5a plus 3b, a minus 2b and 3a plus 5. So here we will be adding these three functions. So we can directly add also, but it being the preliminary convention. So we will be writing them one by one, one below the other with having same variables. 3b. Then plus, what we will be adding? We will be adding a minus 2b, and finally we are adding 3a plus 5b. So now these are like variables. So here we take that a first, and then what are those particular numbers? Plus 5 and plus 3, plus 5 and plus 3. See here, plus, what is that particular variable? Variable is b, and what are the numbers? Plus 3, plus of minus 2 and plus of plus 5, and then we will be having b. So now here 5 and 3 carry same sign. So add them with that sign only. So how much it will be? It will be equal to plus 8a. Now here these two carry same sign. So add them. 5 plus 3 is 8 and same sign, that is plus 8. And then we will be adding minus 2 to it with b. So what it will be? It will be 8a, and this is plus 2, plus 8 minus 2. They carry different sign. Take the difference is 6, and what that sign is? Plus only. So what it will be? It will be 6b. So what the answer is? 8a plus 6b. We can directly also add. As you learn addition, you can directly add. How? 5a plus a is 6a. No, correction. One correction you can make here. Plus 1 is also there. So make it 9a. 9a. So here 5a plus a is 6a plus 3a is 9a. Then 3b minus 2b is 1b. 1b plus 5b is 6b. So this way we can make that particular addition of the numbers. So 1 is 9a plus 6b, where here we will be writing directly, and here with respect to those mathematical convention. If it is a is written, it is taken as 1. So what it will be? It will be plus 5, then plus 1, and then plus 3, and this is like that. So this is the addition of monomials. Addition of monomials. Now we can take one more example. X cube minus x square y plus 5xy square. Then add minus of x cube minus 9xy square and then plus y cube plus y cube. Plus y cube. See. Let us add these conventions. So, we will be writing it x cube minus x square y plus 5xy square and then finally plus y cube. So, now write down the like terms below. So, here it is minus x cube, add, and then second one is minus 9xy square is there, and finally we will be having y cube. So, let us add. Now, see here x cube is common and here it is plus 1 plus of minus 1, and here nothing is there. So, we will continue the same term, and here we will be having the next concept, that is xy square is the same concept, and so what it is plus 5 plus of minus 9, and then here it is xy square, and here no number is implied, it is plus 1 plus of plus 1 then into y cube into y cube. So, now let us simplify it now. So, if you simplify, plus 1 minus 1 is 0, that is 0 x cube and minus x square y, then see here plus 5 minus 9, see they carry opposite signs, hence taking the difference 4, the bigger number carries minus sign. So, this will be minus 4xy square, and finally they carry same sign, 1 plus 1 is 2, and the same sign is attained here, and so what that answer will be 0 x cube minus x square y minus 4xy square plus 2 y cube, or minus x square y minus 4xy square and then plus 2y cube plus 2y cube. Now, we will be moving to multiplication. Now, we will be moving to multiplication, and what that or can go through one more sum, that is subtract. That is subtract. What this particular subtraction is, because in the modern mathematics there is no subtraction. So, what that subtraction is, change the sign and add. What we will say? Change the sign and add. So, here we will be going through that sum, that is minus 2x square y plus 3xy square from, see, from 8x square y. So, from 8x square y we subtract this particular function from this function. So, if we write in that particular fashion. So, what is subtraction? Change the sign and add. So, what we say? Subtraction is subtraction can be converted into addition by changing the sign of subtrahend, by changing the sign of subtrahend. So, what that subtrahend is? It is minus 2x square y plus 3xy square, and what that particular manuhand is? 8x square y. So, what we will be doing? Subtracting. What we will be doing? Subtracting minus 2x square y, same term, and then plus 3xy square. So, what that particular subtraction is? It is addition by changing the sign. What it is? It is addition by changing the sign. So, now we will be subtracting. So what it is? Now 8 plus 2. If you write down plus 8 plus of plus 2 into x square y, then here it is sign is changed. So what we will be getting? Minus 3xy square. So plus 8 plus 2 implies 10x square y, then minus 3xy square. So subtraction is a process of addition only by changing the sign. So subtraction can be converted into addition by changing the sign of subtrahend. So now we will be moving to multiplication. Now multiplication. First multiplication is monomial with monomial. Monomial with monomial. So now let us multiply. Yesterday I have given you the rules connected with the multiplication. So let us use those rules only. So first one is 5x into 6x square. So here it is plus 5 and plus 6. So plus into plus is plus. Then 5 into 6 will be taking, and next we will be taking variable into variable. Sign into sign, constant into constant, variable into variable. So what it will be? Plus 30, and x into x square is what? X cube. Now 2x into 6y into 8z. So what it is here? First sign into sign, plus into plus into plus is plus. Then we will be writing 2 into 6 into 8, and then we will be writing x into y into z. So what it is? 8 6 or 6 2s are 12, and 12 8s are 96. X y z. X y z. Then we can move to one more sum. Minus 4x into 5y into minus 7z. So here how we will be writing it? So minus, see first sign, that is minus into plus into minus, first sign, and then number 4 into 5 into 7, and then variables x into y into z. So minus into plus minus, minus into minus is again plus. So here 5 4s are 20, 27s are 140, and this is x y z. X y z. Now let us move to one more sum, that is monomial by, no, one more we can take here. So that is 2l square m into 3l m square. So again here both will carry same sign, that is plus into plus, that is plus into plus, then 2 into 3, then L square m into L m square. L square m into L m square. So plus into plus is plus, 2 into 3 is 6. See, L square into L is L cube, m into m square is m cube. So this is multiplication by a monomial. Now we can go through monomial and binomial multiplication. So what it is here? Monomial and binomial. Monomial and binomial multiplication. monomial and binomial multiplication. So here we will be using one important law, and that is known as distributive law. A into bracket B plus C is equal to AB into AC, or B plus C into A is equal to BA plus CA. So this law we will be using when we multiply monomial by binomial. So we can go through one sum. 5x plus 8 into 3. How we will read it? 5x plus 8 into 3. That is the concept of this particular bracket. If you write anything outside the bracket, it always implies into. What will be the sign between this bracket and this number? That is into only. So according to distributive law, how we can write it as 5x into 3 plus 8 into 3. So now we will not be writing in detail. So we think and write. So what is the sign of 5 plus what is the sign of 3? Plus into plus is plus. Number into number, 5 into 3 is 15, and here it is only one variable, that is x. So then we will be moving to here directly. It is 8 3 is a 24. 8 3 is a 24. Now we can take one more. Minus of 3pq into bracket minus 15 p square q square, correction, p cube q square, and then minus q cube. So again, according to distributive law, what it is? Minus 3pq into minus of 15 p cube q square, and then however we will be writing plus sign only. Then again we will say minus of 3pq distribution into minus of q cube. Minus of q cube. So we will think and write and don't completely write. See, first we think of the sign of the two terms. Where we will be taking, again it is a monomial multiplication only. So what is that? Monomial into binomial multiplication is nothing but splitting the entire function or the entire multiplication into two monomial multiplication. So what is important here? Monomial multiplication is important. So what is the rule here? Monomial multiplication. First we will be writing sign into sign, minus into minus is plus. Then number into number, 15 3s are 45, and then we go through variable conventions. So if we find like variables here it is p, here it is p cube, so p into p cube is p fourth, and similarly q into q square is q cube. And now similarly we can move to the second convention. So here what we will be having? So minus into minus is plus, first one, and then 3, here no number is implies 1, 3 into 1 is 3, and here p is here only, here it is not there, p we will be writing, and then q into q cube is q fourth. So final answer 45 p fourth q cube plus 3 p q fourth, 3 p q fourth. Now we can move to one more sum. That is third one we can call minus of x into bracket x minus 15. So again distribute here. So first one is minus of x into x, and second one is plus of minus of x into minus of 15. So again we go through one by one. Here it is minus and here it will be plus. Minus into plus is minus. Here also 1, here also 1, 1 into 1 is 1, need not write, and what x into x is x square. So here again minus into minus is plus, plus into plus is plus only, and here the coefficient is 1 and here it is 15, 15, and what that particular variable part is 15x. So this is a monomial by binomial. And now